Understanding prepositions of time. At, in, on. Preposition at is used for times of the day. At 8 a.m., at 7 o'clock, at 9:30, at noon, at night, or at midnight. To show holidays. At the weekend, at Christmas, at Eid al-Fitr, at Easter, at Thanksgiving. To show meal times. At breakfast, at lunch, at lunchtime, at dinner time. To show special expressions. At the moment, at present. Preposition in is used to show months. In April, in December, in July. To show seasons. In summer, in spring, in winter, in autumn. To show years. In 1945, in 1990, in 2020. To show decades and century. In 80s, in 1990s, in the 21st century. To show time periods. In 10 minutes, in 1 hour, in the past. To show parts of the day. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Note, we don't say in the night. This is wrong. Instead, we say at night. Preposition on is used to show dates. On 12th January, on 20th March, on March 27th, on the 1st of April. To show days. On Monday, on my birthday, on Christmas Day, on Halloween. To show parts of specific day. On Sunday morning, on Friday afternoon, on Wednesday evening, on Saturday night,